Hi guys, how are you? How are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing well out there. Another video for you guys. Anyway, as I have mentioned last time, we're gonna do a feeding program to the kids here in the Philippines. There is a lot of hungry people living on the streets, and you know, as a Filipino that lives here in the Philippines, I see that. I see a lot of people who are hungry and just don't have food to eat. So I was thinking, like, you know what, I'm gonna do a feeding program. So with all of your donations that I get during my live, we wanna donate it. We wanna buy food and give it to them. So that's what we're gonna do today. But actually guys, I haven't get the money yet, because this is not like an instant like when you donate a cash or a dollar on during the live, doesn't mean I can get it right away. It's not like that. So I'll probably get the money next month on my next what is it, on my next salary from YouTube. So I have some money here, so I'm gonna use that, and the rest of the money that I'm gonna get on my next paycheck from YouTube, I'm gonna send it to here in the Philippines, and I will have my brother or my cousin, I will have them, you know, donate it, buy food and donate it to the hungry people here. So, you know, a little give back to the community. Me as an influencer, I really wanted to do that, you know. And as we grow, hopefully one day we're gonna keep growing and growing, and so that we can help a lot of people here in the Philippines. You know, this is where I came from. I know the life of being poor, the people that doesn't eat 3 times a day. I've been there. So again, today we want to do that. I have my cousin here, Francis. He's gonna go with me. We're gonna buy the food. I was thinking maybe we just gonna cook it. Actually I was thinking maybe just buy chicken, you know, get some groceries, like, you know, maybe pancit and spaghetti and maybe chicken, and make a fried chicken. But since we are really busy, you know, we didn't really have time to cook, and you know, it's been raining here in the Philippines because of the storm, so we didn't really have time to do that all that. So I said, you know what, let's just go to the Jollibee, because Jollibee is a Filipino fast food. You know, kids especially, they love Jollibee, you know. So we might go for fried chicken or spaghetti. So I want you guys to join us, and I wanted to say a special thank you to all of the sponsors, especially the people who donated here. So I want to mention all of you guys, the people that who donated, especially on my live today. I want to start with saying thank you to all of you. First to Sparky58 for $4.99, Trucking Life with Pona for $5, Lance Smith for $5, Talamasca MD for 99 pesos, Askilad Mike, Kuya Mike, thank you so much for your $27.99, to Kuya Tony for $49.99. Another donation from from Mike, $13.99, to Ate Rose Yamada for $50, and another from Kuya Mike for $24.99. Ay, pag-interrupt. Ayan eh. Ayan eh. Ma?
Ban ko?
Not yet. Don't interrupt yet, ma. I'm vlogging.
Muban ko?
Dili pa mi, balik pa mi. Mupalit lang ikaw kung gusto mo upod nimo.
Ha?
Mupalit lang mi Jollibee, mo balik mi.
Muban la ko.
O sige, ay magbanak, nag-vlog ko. So another $24 from Mike, and $4.99 from Lula Isa Vlog, the missing 2 of Mukbanger for $5, from Brother Lance Smith $10, another $13.99 from Brother Mike, $10 from T, and $25 from Mike, and $99.99 from Tita Princess Rachel, Bisaya sa Amerika, for $9.99, and another $49.99 from Ate Rose Yamada. And yeah, again guys, really appreciate the thoughts, the donation. It's a big help already for especially these kids that are hungry. I want to make sure that all of your donation, once I got it, because I won't get it till probably about next month. So once I have it, by the time I'm already in the US, I'm already back. But I have already talked to my brother here and my cousin Francis here that once I get the money, I'm gonna send it over to them here, and then they're gonna do the feeding program. They're gonna send me the video to show you guys that we actually did it. Again guys, I appreciate it so much, and I'm so excited, and it can make a big difference to the people who are hungry, you know. And yeah, I want you guys to join us. So mom is here with us to support us. Actually my sister is gonna go with us too, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the Jollibee, get the food. We're gonna order it because it's gonna take time to pack all of it together. We're probably gonna have like 80 boxes. Is that how
80 packs.
80 packs or 100. Then we will come back and pick it up later. So we're gonna go get it from the Jollibee. So again guys, see you in a bit for more updates. Alright guys, I'm gonna head out now. Tire natin low on air. I'm using my sister's car guys, because my brother has it. So I asked my sister if I can borrow her car. Dude, you gotta stop.
May malakas kaysa kutsi mo na magdadar.
Ito kay Gisa, ano ka po dito? Mas makomportable ka. Tingnan mo po din yung sasakyan ni Gisa. Dako lang ng Gisa kay Ate Car. Drive-through. We're here guys. We're just gonna... Should we go to the drive-through, huh? Oh, we gotta go in. We gotta go in, huh?
Go in.
Yeah. Kasi we will ask them about it eh. Hopefully there's parking here.
Yeah.
Oh no. Reserve.
Bakuni din yung nga Jollibee.
Ay, you know what? Atas lang tayo kay kuya. Sir, pwede kami dito, sir? Pwede, okay. I'll take it.
Bakuni sa Jollibee yung panin. Magulang mo eh.
Oo.
Diba?
Thank you, sir.
Dadalhin mo ba? Or you have
Hindi na.
your wallet?
Hindi na.
Ay, mahulog yung kwarta kay Karma.
Ha?
80 bucks.
3 packs na spaghetti. Saan ba yan? Yung ano lang. Magkano yung ano? Kuha kami yung solo spaghetti. Ha?
60 pesos.
Yeah, ano kami yung pwede, nagbabalot pa kayo ng ano? Marami kasi order namin. Parang nasa mga 80 packs na spaghetti na solo
Okay. For today po.
for today. Pipick upin na lang namin.
Anong oras po?
Mga, siguro mga
Lunch payment 80 bucks.
3. Kaya kayo ng 3.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Ano po po, sir?
Kasama ng drinks yun, yung ano, yung
Pwede naman po, sir. Pero kung may ano, ayan, sir, yung Jolly Spaghetti with fries and drinks or Jolly Spaghetti.
eh, wala pang drinks yun.
Opo, wala po.
Yung 60 pesos wala pang drinks yun. Okay. Pero pag walang drinks, magkano?
4,800.
Sa lahat yun, walang drinks.
Yung 80
Okay. Yung ano, with drinks, with fries.
yung with fries po.
Halimbawa lang.
Siya po ano,
Ano sa'yo? Ano sa'yo?
yung kay ano ko na, yung kay Mang Muna. Okay lang po, yung kay Mang Muna po.
Sige.
Yung kay Mang Muna. Pero huwag niyo papansin yung yun.
Sige na, para may discount ka. Ano? Ano sa'yo?
Pakiki lang yung akin.
Spaghetti?
Yun may ano.
May french fries?
Oo, may 25. Pakiki din. Yung sa 125.
125. Ikaw, gusto mo?
May mix and match ba kayo dito? Ano yung available sa dito?
Spaghetti burger, steak lang burger.
Magkano yung mix and match na spaghetti tapos burger?
Sir, yung product niyo po kanina, meron po pala siyang 3% na free. Hindi po siya discount, makakonvert po siya into food.
Oh, talaga?
Opo.
So,
Sa
bali,
Jollibee food lang.
what do you mean? So, may extra kaming ano?
Yes.
Oh, talaga?
Convert po, i-anuhin po natin siya into 3% yung bill nyo and then i-convert po natin siya
Into food. Oh, wow. That's good. Yeah, i-donate din kasi namin yun. Salamat.
Okay. Ika ang sa'yo spaghetti with fries na?
Yun.
Yung spaghetti with ano?
Rice.
Fries. Yung may kasamang french fries.
Yun o.
Yeah. 125.
Oo.
With fries.
Large na. Anong gusto mong drinks? Anong gusto mong drinks? Coke.
Large po.
Oo, gusto mong drinks.
Ako Coke lang lang, tapos yung ano.
Yung kay sir. Pero pinapunch ko po yung Pero yung price na... Bali, meron po ngayon 200 pesos. Converted po siya sa free.
Oh yeah? Oh, good, good. Yeah, it will...
So, pwede mamili ko ano Coke.
Kasi 200 pesos.
200. Yung ano na lang, yung
Gusto niyo yung burger?
burger. Asan yan?
Regular. Regular burger.
40 pesos po.
40 pesos? Oh, yun na lang. Oh, burger na lang.
Bali, 5.
Oh, okay na yan. Okay.
Bali, birthday na lang yung... Wala po senior citizen card, ma'am?
Wala ka ng senior citizen card?
Yan na yun. Birthday na lang. Yung birthday. Ayun lang.
Sinang ID yan.
Okay na. Okay na, okay na. Baka mabigatan ka. Mawaray ka kasi din, ma? Mawaray ka kasi si tagay si Kuya. 20, Kuya. Close. We don't have space, ha? Hindi, pahiga natin to. Wait lang. Hawakan mo nga to. Ito, kuya.
Ilang pagkuha.
Okay na yan.
Diyan, ganyan na lang, boss.
We got the food now, guys. We get the spaghetti and we got the soda. There's more here. Okay lang po.
Ano yan? Kutsara?
Ma, oray ka din na ano? Sinsilio?
Nagkamo na yun sila.
Sige sa.
Itong security.
Piraman.
50.
Ah, okay na yan.
Pwede nito kami ito siya.
That's it, no? Okay na po. Thank you po.
Boss, boss.
Okay na po. Ito.
O sila, tag-50 na lang.
Tag 50 na lang po kayo, kuya. Okay. Thank you po.
Thank you.
We have finally got the food. We got the spaghetti, the French fries, and the drinks. So we're gonna start giving food to the people we see on the street. So come and join me. Po?
Ito na po yung way natin.
Dito po? Okay.
Bali, saan po yung way mo, sir?
Dito po. Okay. Thank you, kuya. Para sa bata. Welcome.
Thank you po.
Wait lang, ano na? Yung ano meron na? Okay. Welcome.
Ito pa, oh.
Thank you.
feeding program, Jollibee. Oh,
Vlogger kayo, kuya?
oh.
Salamat, kuya. Kuya.
Ito oh.
Kayo ha, tag-isa kayo.
Salamat po.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
Kunin mo yung drinks. Salamat. Enjoy kayo.
Feeding program lang.
Feeding program kuya. Salamat. Enjoy po kayo. Thank you.
Wala naman po. Ingat po.
Hindi na ang outro.
Saan?
Diyan.
Ito si kuya oh. Walang ano.
Yun, may bata pa yun. May bata yun. Ayun kuya.
Kuya! Pagkain! Oh,
Mama, ibigay mo.
bilis.
O kuya. Feeding program kami. Sige, salamat.
Sige, bigyan sa tatay. Dali, si tatay. Ayun,
May kasama daw po sila. May kasama daw sila. Isa.
isa, bigay, dali. Bigay mo, dali. Bigyan na si kuya. Okay.
May feeding program po. Kaya naman. Ito po oh.
Good drinks po. Salamat tayo. Ingat kayo. Ingat po. Traffic na naman.
Oh gosh, it's so traffic.
Soda water. Tapos zero.
There's a traffic in the Philippines.
Kasi naamoy. Diyan sa gilid bago mag bago natin ako na tapos yung ensaymada. Masarap yung ensaymada nila.
Yung
May puto.
yung ensaymada.
Di sa kabila.
Tawagin mo pati, kung ano. Ano? Yung mga ano doon.
Okay na, para alis ko.
Okay na? Ito mga bata oh. Akin na, akin na. Oh, dali. Oh. Feeding program. Go. Ito mga bata. Ito.
Pwede ba pong panginin yung kapatid ko dahil na?
Okay na. Ito dali boy. Sa bibi oh. Oh, be.
Pwede Justin! Pwede Justin! Wala!
Oh. Oh, sige. Tawagin mo. Ha? Soft drinks. Yung pa bata. Yung isa pa. Oh. Wala ba? Ah, wala ka pa pala. Oh, sa'yo na yan, be. Oh. Okay na?
Yo!
Oh, tal.